few weeks ago we took a road trip to Spain and we were staying in a very traditional old Spanish house, and I found there this kind of small, very cute cutting board. I don't know if it's handmade, it looks pretty old, is it even made in China? I don't know, but it was very nice. So I was thinking that I want one. Okay, I want to make it a little bit different. Of course it would be easy just to cut here two pieces of wood, glue those maybe together that it's a little bit thicker, but I will cut some stripes here and glue those together, so it's going to be kind of edge grain cutting board. I don't remember which wood is this one. Is this acacia or something? It's oiled. I have to get rid of this oil and I will do it with my thickness planer. My thickness planer can't have this all in at once, so I have to cut it half. Part is now kind of important because this cut will tell how thick this board is going to be. I was thinking maybe 30 millimeters. Next I'm going to glue these together, except this one I will save this for later. These I will do 5 and 5 together, and I'm going to use Titebond III, which is food safe and waterproof glue. I really like this glue, it gives a little bit more time to work. It's not so fast than some of these wood glues are. I hope I have enough. This bottle is quite empty. Next, I will tape these three pieces together that I can put this through my thickness planer. This piece which is coming in the middle, it's also going to be some kind of handle. I want to make this part a little bit round. kind of like this shape here. First I was going to cut it straight. I kind of like it like that, so I think I will leave it. And again I forgot something. Okay, next I will cut this here. Yeah, that's too short. That I'm not going to do the same mistake that I did last time. I won't do it like this now. I have to do it from other side, like this. I also would like to do something here, like maybe make this kind of continue here, but how can I do that? Do I have a... is this good option? Something like that. Winter is coming. Luckily it's quite warm still. Now I'm going to make it wet. And then I'm going to sand it again. Okay, this is some chopping board oil which I bought a few years ago. I hope it's still good. Food safe, of course. Maybe it's tucked. Let's see. I think it looks fine. Now I will let it dry a little bit, then I will wipe it with a clean dry towel, and after that I will add a layer of wax or two. One thing I forgot to do actually, I have to drill here a hole that I can put some kind of hanging wire here. Layer of wax. I like to work with this wax because it's smelling good. The smell doesn't last that long, of course, but it's smelling nice. It's with orange and lemon extracts. Maybe not the best table to wax, because it's wobbling like crazy.